Welcome to Melbear's Weird and Wonderful. Today I'll show you how I made this Orbeez cup experiment. I put out at least one new video every week, so please do subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Alright, so I had kind of a goofy idea that we're going to try today and see how it works. I've had these sitting on my desk at work for quite some time. They're Orbeez, and I usually just kind of put some in a cup and play with them, and I don't know why I have them at work, to be honest. I just thought they'd be fun to play with and play little tricks on people with them and stuff, but I bought quite a few of them, so I thought, how cool would it be to put these into a tumbler and see what they do, because they're going to swell up. So I don't know what they're going to look like, but they're going to swell up, and I assume they're going to look fairly cool. So what I'm going to do is put some of these into a snow globe tumbler and see what they look like. So what I've got here is just a plain old hollowed wall tumbler that I've got from Michael's. These are about $6.50 now. Last time I went to go look. Canadian. They're probably cheaper in the States. Most things are. And then I've burned a hole through it with my hot tool. I do have a video on doing this if you're confused. Just look under my videos. I think it's no drill tumbler. I think I did name it. So this is going to be probably pretty darn easy. We're just going to open these and put some into the tumbler. That's it. And I'm not sure how many to put in, so I'm just going to put a few in. Then we're going to add some just plain old water to it and see what happens. So I'm not sure how many to put in. I don't know. Put in maybe like a 1/4 teaspoon. I don't want to put too many because they swell up. I don't want too many in there. I don't know how many to put in. I'll put in a little more. What's the worst thing that can happen? Alright, so I think I've made enough mess. So we're just going to add some distilled water to this. And I got some brand new squeeze bottles from the dollar store the other day. Fresh and clean, not all mutilated yet. So we're just gonna fill this up, and then we will wait and see what this looks like after they swell up. And hopefully I didn't put too many in. I may have, but not the end of the world if I did. Okay, now we're going to add our water. Alright, so we're going to leave this sit, and we will see what it looks like after a few hours of doing its thing. There you go. There they are. They're already starting to swell up. Okay, I'll be back. Here it is after about an hour. They're starting to swell up. I did add a few more, although that may be a mistake. And I'll be back probably tomorrow to finish this and see what this has turned into. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay, it turned out really cool. There is a spot with some with nothing in there, but I think I can maybe fix that. We'll see. But look at, see right here, they're kind of there's too many jammed in there. So I think what I would do is put a few in and then put a little bit of water in, then add a few more, then put some more water, and just keep doing that until you get it full, so they're not, so you don't end up with any bunched up. But honestly, I love this. It's really fun. It's a really fun, easy one to do. You don't need anything too special to do this, just your Orbeez. Really cool. I'm definitely going to be using this one. I'm not sure why this makes me so happy, but it really does. I think it kind of reminds me of the circus or something, but not that I think I've even gone to a circus. It just looks happy to me. It looks like a happy, happy cup. Very cool. So I hope you've enjoyed my little Orbeez experiment. I put out at least one new video every week, so please do subscribe if you enjoy the content. It really does help. And thanks so much for watching.